Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. Let's take screenshots, for example, of our settings list. And what you have to do next is to press combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time like this. Hold it for about half a second. And that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down for half a second. And that's how you take screenshot. You can also take screenshot by holding down just power key, and after this turn off menu appears, you have the button screenshot here, and it works exactly the same way. You can find your screenshots in gallery, here at the screenshot album. And here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.